How to make the delicious and very easy scrambled eggs and sunny side of eggs. Hello there, I'm Chef Comfort of Lena's Cut TV, and here on this yummy channel I teach you how to make delicious recipes in a snap. Now I share a new recipe on this channel every week, so please click the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications bell so you do not miss out on the cooking action. Do you know I share breakfast recipes, easy, quick and delicious breakfast recipes on my Instagram page? Well, I bet you do now. Go ahead and search for the hashtag TLC Breakfast on Instagram. Also follow my Instagram handle @_TheRealComfort for lovely food, pictures, recipes, tips, so many yummy food related ideas that I know you're gonna love. Now, let's get right into the cooking action. I know you cannot wait to taste this. We're going to start by heating our pan on low heat. When the pan is nice and hot, you throw in your butter. Now I'm using regular butter for this recipe. However, you can use any butter you have available at home. When the butter is nice and melted, throw in the amount of eggs you'll be using. I'm using 2 medium-sized eggs in this recipe. Now when the eggs are in the pan, gently use your cutlery to scramble those eggs carefully. Remember, you want to do this on very low heat. You don't want your eggs overcooked, neither do you want them burnt. After scrambling your eggs for about 30 seconds, flip them over so the other side can be well cooked, still on very low heat. Now we're gonna be adding milk. This is just about 2 teaspoons of milk, depending on the amount of eggs you're using. Now this is just whole milk powder I diluted with water. You can add any kind of milk you have available. Don't worry, the eggs are gonna soak up all that milk and it's gonna give you a very creamy, tasty and delicious flavor. Now I'm adding my black pepper and my chili flakes and also a pinch of salt. Now the chili flakes is absolutely optional. If you do not like yours very spicy, you can always omit this step. Give this a very good mix and you turn off the heat. Always shut the stove off before eggs are done. The remainder of the heat will cook the eggs to fluffy perfection. For the perfect sunny side of eggs, it is so simple. Put in your butter in a pan. When it is nice and melted, throw in your egg. Now be sure to use 1 egg at a time. If you're serving more than 1 person, be sure to do this in batches. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking my tablespoon and taking some of those fats, some of those butter, putting it on the yolk so that the yolk can be well cooked. Now cover this up for 15 seconds. Season as you like. I'm using black pepper and a pinch of salt. Now when this is done, pour in some more fat to let it cook some more. Please remember to do this on very low heat. Cover for about 10 seconds. I just garnished with green onions. After 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, your sunny side of eggs is ready. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful video, guys, because I did, and it is so delicious. I really hope you try this because I'm sure you're gonna love it. You can see they are so easy. These eggs are very easy, simple and absolutely delicious. Do not miss it. Please try it and let me know when you do. I'll be looking out for your videos and pictures. Don't forget to tag me on social media. My handles are Instagram @_TheRealComfort, Twitter @Lena's Cut TV, and here on YouTube, Lena's Cut TV. Until next time, thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye.